Hey everyone, I'm Ashley Samantha and welcome to the girls room. If you know me from another channel, that's because you're right. That channel was just like a channel for me to learn to get comfortable with the camera, and now this is a channel that I feel like it's gonna be the most authentic, the most me, the most real. And so I really hope that you guys subscribe to the channel and like what's to come, because we're gonna do some chit chat, get ready with me. We're gonna do some PSAs that you guys need to talk about, like really talk about. You'll find out more about the PSAs at the end of this video, so I guess you kind of have to watch the video, or you know, when someone says at the end of the video, I do like fast forward. I'm not even gonna lie. So if you guys want to fast forward and see if this is the type of channel that you want to, you know, subscribe to, then by all means go ahead. Like if that means that I'm gonna gain a subscriber and gain a new friend, and I want to call you guys my little sisters, so gain a new little sister from you guys, then go right ahead and do that. But yeah, let's get into this look, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It is a get to know me tag, so that way you guys can get to know me for this channel if you're not familiar with me already. But yeah, let's get into this. So the first question of my get to know me tag is, what is my full name? And I'm not going to give you guys my last name, but I will give you my first and my middle name, and it's Ashley Samantha. And my mom named me. She really loved those two names, obviously, and that's why she named me. And then the second question is, where am I from? And right now I live in boring ass Tampa, Florida. I don't live in Tampa. Like, you know, people might say, oh, I live in Miami, but there are different places in Miami, like Brickell, or why am I drawing a blank here? I lived there for a few years for college. South Beach, Kendall. Like, there are different cities within that city, if that makes sense, or like outside of that city. So yeah, I'm living in Tampa, Florida, but I'm not going to specify as to where I'm living in Tampa, Florida. So if you're in Tampa and you see me, what's up? If you don't, then, you know, hopefully you see me one day when I travel, or if I ever make it big and have like meetups and stuff like that, that would be super cool, and you guys can say hey to me there. Hopefully one day when I answer this question I can say LA. But you know, I can't say that right now. I mean, I could, but I'd be lying. So I don't want to start this channel off being a liar and then none of you guys trust my credibility for anything that I talk about. So yeah, moving on. Where was I born? I was born, and I'm gonna be specific here, I was born in Far Rockaway, Queens, in New York, and I lived there for a long time before I moved to Tampa. And then from Tampa I went to Miami for school, and now I'm back in Tampa. So officially Tampa is the longest place I've ever lived. Okay guys. But that's my best friend Toria on IG. So now the next question is, what are my best characteristics? And honestly, I'm a very genuine person. What you see is what you get. I'm very loyal. So once you're my friend, I'm loyal to you until I have reasons not to be. So that also like goes into like being trustworthy. Like, I trust you until you give me a reason not to trust you. For me, trust doesn't have to be earned unless it was once taken away. What else? I'm a hard worker. But I'm very like dedicated when I start to do something, so I know like I'll be super dedicated to this channel. I had a different YouTube channel, but I don't know, something about that channel, it's just not me. I feel like I wasn't myself, and I feel like that was a channel for me to learn how to be myself in order to make this new channel. So yeah. The next question is, which of my parents am I closest to? When I was younger, I was closer to my dad. I was such like a daddy's girl. I would play outside when he's outside. I would even play in the dirt, so I was low-key a tomboy who liked playing with dolls. I would learn how to fix like the cars, because he maintains all of our cars. Well, he doesn't maintain mine anymore because I have warranty and like free maintenance and stuff like that. But for the longest time he maintained my car. He maintains my mom's car, his car, so I learned quite a few things about maintaining cars because of him. And I would just be out there with him all the time. I was like his tail. I would literally follow him everywhere he went. And now I'm closer to my mom, mainly because we work together. Like, she has a business and I'm like her partner, so we're always together. I'm planning my wedding now, so it's like, you know, I'm her first daughter getting married, and we're just super close. We have a lot of things in common as well. When it comes on to like our girliness now, and well, when I say now, I mean me. What else? And like things that we like to do, like watch movies, eat bun cake at this new bun cake place, which is so good, called Nothing Bun Cake, so shout out to you. But yeah, like we have a lot in common, so I hang out with her more now. And then the next question is, which of my parents am I more like? I would say it's a mixture between the two. I would say that I'm a lot like my dad in a lot of ways, but I'm a lot like my mom in a lot of ways, so I guess it just varies, I guess. I don't know. Doing this to get rid of the bags, guys, so if you didn't know, now you know. Put on some concealer before your foundation. And don't do like a super bright concealer either, because you're gonna look crazy. I used to do that. I looked crazy. So the next question is, what is my best physical feature? I guess I would say, like, I love my nose because it's so like small and cute, I guess. A lot of people compliment my lips, and I guess they like the shape of my lips and like the color. Like, I remember Troy, my fiance's mom, was here and she was like, oh my god, those are the natural color of your lips. And I was like, yeah, they are. Thank you for noticing. So I guess I would say those two. I like my head sometimes, but sometimes I don't. It's like a love-hate relationship between me and this big thing. This thing says, what is my biggest fear? And I can honestly say that my biggest fear is not, you know, becoming rich. Like, I know there's more to life than money, and I'm a true believer in God, but I just want to be able to live comfortably, and if I had to stop working one day, then I could, and I can focus on like living with my family, taking care of my family, and, you know, being able to visit my friends more, because I haven't been able to see my friends in so long. So like, that's really one of my biggest fears, and I know it sounds super stupid, but it just is. Okay, so that's what it is. My next question is, what inspires me? And I don't have a what, but I have like a who inspires me. And number one, it's my mom, because she's such a go-getter, and everything about her just shows like true entrepreneurial skills. Next would have to be like a couple of YouTubers. Like last night, Miss Ashley Devana, aka, what was her old YouTube name? Why am I drawing a blank? As Told by Ashley? I'm not sure. Was that it? I don't know. But she just like bought a house, and like that's super inspiring, because she doesn't like, you know, spend money frivolously. She has like a Hyundai SUV. Some of these YouTubers have like Porsches and Range Rovers and stuff, but like if you got it, then, you know, kudos to you. I'm not like, you know, saying that's bad, because I would probably be one of those YouTubers. I'm not even lying. But like, she really does spend her money wisely. And then I would have to say like Makeup Shayla, I Love Sarah E. I just figured out how to say her YouTube name too. Like, she's someone new that I started watching, so I did say it a little bit incorrectly. I apologize. but there's so many YouTubers that inspire me, especially because genuinely this is something that I want to do. Like for me to give up on a channel where I just reached the monetization goal, just so that way I can actually start new and be fresh and show you guys a more authentic me, says a lot like about how much I care about YouTube. And I'm really not doing this for the money. I don't have that many friends here. I really don't. And so you guys are like my friends. When I watch YouTube and I learn about people on YouTube and the people that I actually like to watch, they become my friends. Like, they don't know it. I sound crazy, but you're my friend and you don't know it. But like, they actually become people that I look up to and are like goals. And like, anyone who's my goal, you're my friend. Like, you just don't know it. And for example, like Nicole Linnell, like she has her own store, online boutique I mean, and she had one with like an old friend a while ago, and she went solo and opened up her own store, and now it's like she's booming. Like, she just reached her $1 million goal and it hasn't even been a full year yet. And like, if I send her a DM like asking her something, or you know, she posted a book and I ask her, oh my god, what book is that? She responds back. Like, she doesn't like, I like people who are authentic, people who aren't like, oh, I'm on this level so I don't need to talk to you type of people. Like, I like real authentic people, and I'm so thankful for people like that in this world, because those are people that you can learn from and actually learn how to make it onto their level while they're at another level. You know, hopefully they keep moving up, and then as they keep moving up, you keep moving up with them, because they're teaching you how to do it. You know, mind you, you're still gonna have your own like original aspects, but at the same time you kind of have to learn how to get there before you get there. So I like people like that, and those are people that inspire me. That was like the longest answer. This thing says, what has required the most courage of you in your life so far? And as of right now, I keep talking about it, but it's the fact that I moved on from an old YouTube channel just to show you guys a more authentic me. And in this channel, I'm just gonna be so real with you guys, share my secrets with you guys, because some of you guys probably went through some of the things that I've went through, and I want to be there for you guys if you haven't and you just went through something that I'm going through. Like, for example, I have endo, or endometriosis, for those of you guys that don't know. And you know, there are a lot of things that I have to learn about having endometriosis and have to deal with having endometriosis. So this is really like the biggest thing that I had to do in my life that required the most courage, especially because this is a video where, I mean, a YouTube channel where I want to focus on like doing makeup videos, of course, because that's like my thing, but actually like talking about real life subjects, like kind of like PSA makeup videos. And that's what this channel is mainly going to be about, along with showcasing my cooking skills. Because if you follow me on YouTube, I mean on Instagram, which is @2_ Samantha, you know that I post like a lot of cooking videos, and I've been getting a lot of requests for me to showcase it on my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be just a mixture of everything that I like to do. This is the girls' room, and I named it the girls' room. Yes, I'm an Ashley, and yes, I like the Amanda Show, but I named it the girls' room mainly because this is a place for females and males alike. You know, you can come in, you know, you just gotta be prepared for what you're gonna hear. For like us to like really sit down and like talk about real life girl problems, real life girl issues. Like, it's gonna get real on this channel, so you have to be real prepared for this channel. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not gonna like sugarcoat anything. It is what it's about to be.